Amateur hour. We almost got it though. Matter of fact, make it a little bit easier. Grab my step up, step down, whatever it's called. Just don't want to come on. Bottom one was not this hard at all. Anyway, old, new, we're gonna get in here and replace it. But I gotta get all this, well actually it goes right here. I gotta get all that junk out of there first and then replace it. Alright, got my hose all the way out using this. Those rivets, they was a bitch, but I don't do this every day, so I'm just doing the best I can, trying to save a little money. So this is the new versus the old door handles. The reason why I'm replacing them is because of this one here. It snapped right there, as you can see. Wasn't really doing anything or handling it bad or anything, but just old and it broke. I can tell that this one had been replaced before though, because instead of the rivets, I had these 10mm bolts in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get 10mm bolts for the other side, and that's how we're gonna replace it. So I gotta go to the store, get 2 bolts, and then we'll put the new handles on. But they look a lot better. This one, my friend wants it. He's missing a door handle on his 85 Cutlass, so I'm gonna just give him this one, and he can install it on his. But these right here, I got them off eBay for like $17, so I mean, a couple dollars. So we about to install it. I already figured this out, but as you can see here, these slots don't line up. This slot is lined up, this hole is lined up, but down here we're off. So after messing with it for a while, I realized you just put it in there. Well, let's put this pin in first. but you have to slightly bend it. So squeeze it together and it'll go through both holes, and then your hose will line up. So once you get your hose lined up, take your 10mm bolt and nut. And I'm using the old ones. I mean, it's inside of the door. I would have replaced them, but whatever. Oh, look at that. The bolt won't fit in the hole. So now I got to drill the hole out so that I can get it all the way in there. That's what happened when you deal with aftermarket stuff. But I'm gonna drill that hole back, hole out some more so that this bolt will fit, and then we'll go from there. So I'm back. I've drilled these holes out a little, and I got my new 10mm bolts. I don't have a cameraman anymore. Now it looks like this side, I gotta drill out that bolt as well. So let's just take this out. I said bolt, but drill out this hole, make it a little bit bigger. Remember I told y'all, in order to get this these lined up, gotta squeeze it. Kind of hard for me to do it with one hand. I lost my camera person, but there we go. I'm not even left-handed, but I was able to get it done. So I'll hold this. Put my bolt and stick it in there. Trying to get the nut off the other one. So stick that one in there. And so for these, to get to this bottom one in the back, it's best to have the window up. So put my washer on there in the back. Start my bolt. Grab my nut. I keep calling everything out of its name. It is what it is, though. I don't know what I'm talking about. So for the top one, better to have the window down. And like I gotta put some oil. I need to oil my tracks. They're making a lot of noise. Man, it's hard doing this with one hand. I got it started. Y'all get the gist of it. I'm gonna go in and tighten this up, and then we'll do a test. Pretty sure it's gonna work. All right, we back. Let's test this thing. Up. My door opens from the inside now. Alright. Little DIY. It was pretty easy. Hardest part, of course, was getting those rivets out. But we got her done. And I'm satisfied. One more time. For the one time. All right.